Yes guys, it's Roman and we are here again with another video. Today we will be doing an unboxing. It's a pretty big box. Anyways, let's see what's inside. I thought there would have been much more cushioning in the box. This though feels quite light. Anyways, let's open it. Alright, so here is my new baby. Wow. So pristine. Oof. She is fine. Oh my god, feel that. Wow. It smells pretty nice. It looks pretty good. Ooh, damn. So just to give you guys a very quick overview of what this is. So my current computer, or my old computer rather, simply did its time. I've had it for about 4 years if my memory serves me well. I've had it from 2016 I believe, and we're currently in 2021, so that makes, I believe, 5 years. And the other day it just stopped working and I really panicked. First of all, I thought it would have come back after a few tries or after maybe a few hours, and it just didn't happen. And therefore I thought that I need to buy a new computer because I need to put out a video on Saturday, and I only had about, I believe, 3 days to go. So today is Thursday, so I have to do my edits before Saturday. And yeah, so I quickly bought this. Alright, so just a quick overview. It is a Ryzen 7 with 16 gigabytes of RAM memory storage, and then there's a general SSD storage of 1 terabyte. The screen here is 17 inches, and I believe it's pretty fast. It's also good for gaming. Okay, my table is quite messy. I am sorry for that. My mask, because I'm just coming from work. Okay, let's see if it works. It would suck if it doesn't, because I already threw away the box and the things I got with it. I have an earphone plug section, a USB section, another USB section. These are two different types of USBs, a slot for HDMI, and on the other side I have another slot for thumb drives, USBs. Then here it's the power button. As you can see, the battery is built in, it cannot be separated. The keyboard is also French. It has a number pad, which I really like. I like to have my number pad here. I really don't like when a computer doesn't have that.
Je suis Cortana et je suis là pour vous aider.
C'est vrai? Okay. Yeah, I'm taking a picture, so I think that looks pretty good. And now let's record something.
Okay, now I'll only be using the voice recording from here.
Anyways guys, so that is it for my video for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed my content, and if you'd like to see more of me. I think that's it. So yes, I'll see you guys next week. Ciao ciao. Leave a comment, tell a friend, share on your social media, and let's go to 5K. Ciao ciao.